All right, let's get real for a second. You ever sit down to study, feeling all motivated, ready to crush it, only to find yourself fighting for your life against sleep? Your eyes start getting heavy, words blur together, and suddenly your brain is like, bro, let's just nap real quick. Nah, we're not doing that today. Because today, I'm going to hook you up with the ultimate anti-sleep, stay focused, no BS strategy to keep you alert, locked in, and actually absorbing what you study. No more drooling on your textbooks. Let's go. First things first, fix your sleep. I know. You wanted some hack to study all night and never get tired. But here's the truth. If you're only running on 3 hours of sleep and a dream, your brain is already checked out. You're fighting a losing battle. Want to stay awake? Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep the night before. If you're short on time, a power nap, 10 to 20 minutes max, can be a game changer before studying. Any longer? You'll wake up feeling like you just came back from another dimension. Set up your space. Make it impossible to sleep. Let's be honest, if you're studying curled up in bed, wrapped in a blanket, in a dark room, you are 1000% going to sleep. Your body thinks, oh, we're cozy? Cool, nap time. So let's fix that. Sit at a table or desk. Your brain associates it with focus. Bright lights, natural light is even better. Keep the room cool. A warm room equals automatic snooze mode. No lying down. Just don't. 3. The Pomodoro secret. Study like a pro. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? It's like a cheat code for focus. Study for 25 to 50 minutes, take a 5 to 10 minute break. This keeps your brain engaged, refreshed, and laser focused without burnout. But during breaks, don't just sit there scrolling your phone. Get up, move around, do a stretch. Drink water. Put on hype music for 5 minutes. You'll come back recharged and ready to go. 4. Eat like a genius, not like a sleepy sloth. Food can be your best friend or worst enemy when studying. Eat this. Fruits. Apples, bananas, berries. Brain fuel. Nuts, almonds, walnuts. Keeps your brain sharp. Dark chocolate. Yep. A little bit gives you caffeine plus antioxidants. Avoid this, energy killers. Junk food. Makes you feel sluggish. Sugary snacks. Energy crash is coming for you. Heavy meals. You'll enter food coma mode instantly. 5. Stay hydrated. Your brain is 70% water. Listen, if you're dehydrated, your brain is basically running on low battery mode. Keep a water bottle next to you and sip regularly. Pro tip, feeling tired? Splash cold water on your face. You'll wake up instantly. 6. Move, speak, engage. Sitting like a statue while staring at a book? Of course, you're falling asleep. Here's how to keep your brain actively engaged. Read out loud. Your own voice keeps you alert. Walk around while reading. Movement wakes you up. Write things down. Your hands are busy and your brain stays active. Pretend you're teaching someone. Explain the topic like a YouTuber. Trust me, if you're just sitting there silently, your brain will check out fast. The right kind. Not all music is good for studying. If you're out here blasting your favorite hype song, guess what? Your brain is now in concert mode, not study mode. Try this. Lo-fi beats, chill background focus music, classical music, no lyrics, no distractions, video game soundtracks. They're literally designed to keep you engaged. Avoid this. Songs with lyrics. You'll start singing instead of studying. 8. Keep yourself motivated. The why trick. Let's be real. Sometimes we don't feel like studying because we don't see the point. So remind yourself, why are you studying? To pass that test? To chase your dream job? To prove something to yourself? What's the reward? Break your study session into small goals and reward yourself after each one. Finish this chapter? Small snack or a 5-min break. A small motivation boost can make all the difference between staying focused and giving up. Final words. Are you going to let sleepiness win? Now you've got every tool you need to stay awake, focused, and actually learn something while studying. But here's the real question. Are you going to use them? Or are you going to let sleep steal your success? Nah, not you. You've got this. Now go crush that study session.